Hi Cancer, welcome to Omkara Tarot for your monthly general reading. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send us the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin. Now these are general collective readings, so will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. And I could be picking up on your cross watchers energy too. So take it as it resonates with you. And thank you all my subscribers for being so kind to me. Your comments have kept me going, your subscribes, likes. Thank you so much. And here's an Ace of Pentacles for you as an overall energy. So let's see. I'm going to take one more card as advised from the universe. Let's put this here. So Cancer, let's begin. Your first card that I have here is Eight of Swords in reverse. Wonderful. Letting go of some stress and tension, it seems, and looking forward to new beginnings. Let's see. What's this Eight of Swords spirit for Cancer? Excellent, excellent. You have gotten over a lot of things, right? All the sadness, pain, reminiscing about the past, all that stress and tension. You're on the verge of kind of just getting rid of all that. Yes, you have thought about it. You have really gone within, and you've realized enough is enough, and I'm not going to keep myself isolated anymore, and I'm going to let go of all this. So what happened in your recent past for you to... So there was some toxic energy around you, and you have, I think, successfully managed, yes. Maybe this was maybe a younger person who you met, or maybe a family member or something. This is your creative new beginning. You decided, okay, I'm going to let go of anything which is toxic, which doesn't suit me anymore. And I'm going to let it go because this doesn't make me happy. Okay, maybe there was a lot of argument, there was fighting, somebody was always trying to overpower you, just being sneaky, and there was conflict basically in the family dynamic here, because there is your house here. So maybe in a relationship or something, there was a lot of stress and tension which was not making you happy at all, and somebody was trying to play power games with you or control you or something. But in the recent past, I see you successfully having released that. Excellent. Very happy for you. So right now, yes, you're in that state where you're letting all your stress and tension go. Anything else, Spirit? Yeah, but even though you've let all that go, you're not really sure of what to do next. You at least have got out of that toxic phase of your life. And right now I see you in deep reflection, feeling very emotional about what has happened. Maybe, you cut this person off, or something happened, and it's left you feeling a little confused. You feel there's still a lot of secrets that you're not aware of. You're feeling a little unloved maybe at the moment because of, maybe there was a parting of ways, or after the fight you guys are not talking to each other. So you're feeling a bit lost, for a better word. Let's see what's coming up in your near future. The Page of Swords in reverse. Cancer, the same person I see here is showing up in your July reading as well, as trying to create some mischief for you. Let's see, who's this Page of Swords spirit for Cancer? They're keeping an eye on you for sure. They haven't let you go. And yes, that's leading you to feel very stagnant. Even though you're looking forward to new beginnings and something new for yourself, this person is still in your energy. This person is still keeping a watch on you, still trying to, create some kind of rift with you maybe, or... Yeah, this person is not allowing you to be in your space. Maybe you want to be the single happy person and do your own thing, but this person is just not allowing you to have this fresh new beginning for yourself. And maybe they want to have a fresh new start with you again. This is what I see from your future position. Spirit, can I have one more card, please? Please. Oh, here's the devil again. Okay, so even though you've let go of this, you've let go of all the barriers which are in your life, you've let go of, this toxic person in your life, this person is still not letting you go, Cancer. This person is still in your zone. You're letting go, but you really haven't let go yet. Who's this Page of Swords, Spirit, for Cancer? Who's this Page of Swords in reverse for Cancer? What do we expect for Cancer with this Page of Swords in July? Lack of partnership. Lack of partnership. This person just doesn't make you happy. Whoever this person is just doesn't make you happy, and I still see you struggling here, to kind of let them go somehow. Yeah, this person is very in and out, not a stable character. He just doesn't do it, right? Just doesn't do it right. They're very, very immature, then that's how you feel. So, what is it that you're holding on to? What is it that you are holding on to or should hold on to? Yes, Spirit says, Cancer, you on your own are so stable. You're so stable. You have no requirement for anyone else, to kind of provide for you or do anything for you. But somehow this person, whoever this person is, keeps watching you as the Queen of Pentacles, okay, who's a good provider, who's nurtures, who takes care, and this person just keeps returning back to your life, it seems, one way or the other. Just won't leave you alone. One more, Spirit, one more card, please. Yes, see, same card. Now, this is what you are. Spirit says this is what you are, okay? You are the Queen of Pentacles who is abundant, who is kind, caring, has everything in order, doesn't really require nobody. But someone keeps returning to your life, Cancer, and ends up making you feel like the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. How clear is that? Same card. Who is this person in your life? This person's been showing up, Cancer, for you for a very long time. Anything else, Spirit, for what Cancer is holding on to or should hold on to? You're still holding on to the fact that maybe you guys can work together. But whatever happens, whenever this person comes back in your life, you totally lose your balance, you lose your stability, and you are still holding on to that dream or that wish that maybe, something can work out between us. So let's ask Spirit, what is it that Cancer should let go of now? So Spirit, anyone who is a magician, trying to be a magician in your life, trying to trick you, give you illusions, is trying to mind manipulate you, show you things which are actually not there. What does a magician do? A magician creates illusions. Yeah. And that creates tower moments for you. Each time this person comes and sells you a dream, this is the dream maker. Okay, shows you dreams of things which are not there. And each time you believe this person, Cancer, you go through a tower moment. This is what Spirit is saying that you should let go of. If you want to have the stable new beginning, you have to let go of whoever is trying to trick you or, confuse you basically. Anything else, Spirit, for this tower and magician? The King of Pentacles. See, this is how this person comes across. To your Queen of Pentacles who's upright, this King of Pentacles comes back in your life and turns you into the Queen of Pentacles who's in reverse. Why? Because brings in illusions and confuses you. I have to be very honest with you, Cancer. This is the second reading I've done for you, and I just couldn't get myself to post the first one because I thought I was getting it wrong. Okay, but 99% is the same message. Okay, so let's see what's your biggest hurdle, Cancer, in the month of July. Your biggest hurdle is to get yourself out of wishing for the past. You keep looking back to see what was so wonderful, what could have been. That this is your biggest hurdle. Till you don't let go of, this wishful thinking of what could have been, or how happy we could have been. Ten of Cups in reverse. Okay, you're still wishing for this Ten of Cups from the past, of what was, what could have been. This person is just, not being able to come out of that space where keeps dreaming of the way things were or could have been. So Spirit is saying if you keep concentrating on that, Cancer, you won't be able to move ahead. That you have to let go of anything that is a wishful thinking. See the facts in front of you. See what happens when this person is in your energy. Yeah, this turns you into the Queen of Cups. Now, who is the Queen of Cups? The Queen of Cups is someone who really, really hones into her intuition, listens to her inner guidance, is loving and kind and compassionate not to other people but also to herself. Now, you are not listening to your intuition. And that's leading you to keep having these tower moments whenever this magician energy comes into your life. So let's see, Cancer, how do people see you? How do people see Cancer? Cancer, people see you as walking away, which is really good. According to the spread I've seen, if that is the impression you're giving, that is excellent. People see you as walking away from anything that's not suiting you, what is not emotionally making you happy. People also see you as a little weak. Okay, people see you as you're not in control, or maybe this is the illusion this person is trying to create for you, that if you walk away or they see you walking away, they're trying to create that illusion for you that yes, you can't be successful without me, or you can't, you're not powerful without me. So this is how other people are watching you, that you're walking away but you're not going to be successful in moving away alone. Anything else, Spirit, for how people see Cancer? People see you as feeling, having gone within. Okay, I think you are quite quiet right now. You're not chatting or talking to much people. People see you as feeling very sad and feeling left out, feeling abandoned. And people also see you as letting go. Maybe of things, people, maybe this person, if you've been sharing maybe with your friends or family or whatever, people see you feeling a little weak and feeling abandoned and powerless, and really going within and like being isolated basically. From both these cards, that's what I get. So let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you. Spirit, what is your secret message? 5 of Swords in reverse. Yes, Spirit says that this person, whoever's in your life, this is the same card. I had this card earlier, I think. Yeah, here it is. Here it is, okay? Same card, 5 of Swords, 5 of Swords. Spirit is saying that this person comes into your life and maybe weakens you, okay? Overpowers you, makes you feel less than. So this is not a very good influence in your life. Let's see, Spirit. Why is the 5 of Swords as your in reverse? Why is this a secret message from you to Cancer? This person brings in stagnancy into your life, Cancer. Everything just comes to a screeching halt. This is what you have to be aware of. How does this person make you feel? Spirit says just go within when you are in this resting mode. See what is the investment put by this person into your life. One more, Spirit. 5 of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Oops, oops, oops. Yes, Spirit says it's time now to make a choice. You have to make a choice. Do you want to be stuck in this position, or would you like to? Yeah, I just keep getting the Page of Swords all the time. This it just keeps coming up. Because of this person, you feel there is no justice in your life. Things are just not balanced. So let's see, Cancer. Let's take 3 cards to see how your finances and work life look in the month of July. Cancer, work and finances in July. Wonderful, wonderful. You're doing well. I see you as the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, one more. One more, Spirit. Work and finance, please. Work and finance. See, you have this card of the Star, which means you have wish fulfillment in your life. Okay? But whoever this person is from your past, whoever this person is, who just keeps returning back to your life, you are kind of thinking of letting this person go. Because this is the person who doesn't let any forward movement happen in your life, where money and finance is concerned. King of Wands in reverse. So this person is affecting your work and money and finances, Cancer. You already have it all. You have your wish fulfillment in your grasp, in your hand. And till you don't release this person from your past, this person who brings in stagnation, it's going to be a bit tough for you. So it's up to you to make that choice. Of course, Cancer, these are tarot readings. Please use your free will, okay? I'm in no position to say anything. You have to see what works for your life. These are just guidance messages that, are there. So let's see what's going on in your love life now. Love life for Cancer. I have the same cards. There's some conflict in your love life, but you're, I think, releasing it now, which we saw in your current energy. You're letting go of a lot of things. And you also now, after getting rid of this conflict, you're also getting rid of this feeling of being abandoned. Okay? Why? Because you've understood about the 7 of Swords, this person who kind of, is sneaky, and you've realized, I think this month, Cancer, you're finally coming to terms with it, that this is the person which is affecting not only your love life, but also your work life. And this Ace of Pentacles, here, see, now you're going to be in a good state of mind after you've done the releasing. You can go back and, enjoy life and be happy. Let's see, what is the secret message, not secret message, what is the message that universe can give my Cancer, something that they really, really need to know and which can help them navigate these energies in the month of July. King of Swords, yes, thank you. 2 of Swords, yes. Excellent, excellent, Cancer. Now you have to be very, very, very clear, okay? Spirit says this month be very, very clear and use your communication skills, King of Swords, against anyone. If this is you, then you have to be very direct in your conversation. And if this is someone else who's trying to, use their sword on you, or be harsh, or mean to you or something, though I don't see it that way. I do see this you as taking the characteristic of this King of Swords and being very powerful and having direct communication about the choices that you're going to make. You will have to make a choice this month, in July, Cancer, if you really want to, be in a happier place. Make a choice and do not have a restart here. It's not worth it. It's really not worth it. It's not going to serve you in the long run. So let's take an angel blessing card as well for you to see what my angels want to bless you with, Cancer. And Cancers, if you have not subscribed yet, please do and join me. I'll be putting up my love reading soon. Let's see what comes out there for you. And leave a comment if this works for you as well. It's always good to interact with all of you, and I always reply. So let's take one more card, Spirit, one more card for my dear Cancers. You're so beautiful. You're so caring. You're so spiritual. Yes. Great. One more, Spirit. Exactly the message I was expecting for you. Yes. Spirit says, you've been praying, okay? You, without seeing the tarot reading, maybe that's why you're here today, to see how you can be helped. And Spirit says, yes, Cancer, all your prayers have been, heard. And you may feel right now that things are not changing for you. And but they are. Or Spirit is also saying that whatever anybody is saying to you, if somebody is trying to put you under illusions or whatever, don't just see the surface of things, okay? Like the lake looks really stagnant and not moving, but there's so much of activity under the lake. So Spirit is saying, just keep your eyes open to see what is this person not showing you. Don't just hear the words and see what, on the outward, what is happening in your life. Try and see what goes on under the surface. It'll be really helpful for you. And Spirit says, if you have kind of been cheated or fooled in the past, it wasn't your fault. So forgive yourself, and if possible, forgive this person also. Because that's the only way you can cut cords. If you keep being sad and, being upset or whatever, that cord will never be cut. And don't worry, all your prayers are being heard, they're being answered. It's time to take a little step back from the situation and figure it out. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Cancer, right now. I'll see you soon next week for your love readings and love and light. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.